What if I told you that you don't need a six-pack, a luxury car, or some cheesy pickup line borrowed from a Reddit thread to spark deep attraction? What if everything you've been taught about impressing women, being overly romantic, pouring out your feelings, or over-explaining your intentions, was actually pushing them away? Because here's the truth. Women don't fall for words. They fall for what those words awaken inside them. And in this video, I'm going to show you one simple sentence, just one, that slips under her radar and hits her exactly where she feels it most. That soft, mysterious space just beneath her ribs, the place logic can't touch. By the end of this video, you won't just know what to say, you'll understand how to become the kind of man she can't stop thinking about. So if you're tired of chasing and ready to be the one she chases, hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful insights on love, attraction, and self-mastery, and let's dive in. You don't need to be tall, you don't need to be rich. And no, you definitely don't need to use a cringy one-liner. You need presence. You need depth. You need to speak to her emotions in a way that bypasses her defenses and touches something raw and real. So here's the move. One line, one pause, one ripple in the air that makes her stop and feel something. Ready? There's something about you. I can't quite put my finger on it, but I like it. That's it. Simple, elegant, mysterious. It's not needy, it's not obvious. And most importantly, it doesn't put you in the position of begging for her approval. But oh, does it leave a mark? Let's be honest. Most guys overplay their hand. They rush in with big declarations like, "I really like you. I've never felt this way before. You're the most amazing woman I've ever met." And what happens? You hand her the sword and lay your neck on the block. You tell her you've already made your decision, and now you're hoping she'll decide you're worth it. That's not attraction, that's pressure, that's not tension, that's a premature ending. And once a woman sees the end of your story, if it's predictable, if it lacks mystery, she'll stop reading. Women don't fall for men. They fall for the mystery inside them that a man awakens. Let's break down why this one line is so effective. There's something about you. I can't quite put my finger on it, but I like it. 1. Uncertainty is irresistible. You didn't define it, you left it floating. You didn't say you're beautiful or I like your smile. That's predictable. This plants a question in her mind that she has to solve. What does he see in me? Why can't he explain it? What's he not telling me? Her mind fills in the blanks, and every time she does, she falls deeper. 2. Interest without submission. This isn't a compliment, it's a notice. You didn't put her on a pedestal. You didn't give her your power. You simply acknowledged a feeling without chasing. It shows confidence, not desperation, curiosity, not neediness, power, not pressure, and that contrast, that's what pulls her in. 3. You made her feel seen, not just admired. You didn't say, "You're hot." You didn't say, "You're cute." You said, "There's something about her, something different, something unspoken, something only you seem to notice." And that makes her feel seen in a way few men ever make her feel. Not just attractive, not just desirable, unique. Attraction isn't about talking her into liking you. It's about opening loops she can't close. It's about letting her imagination do the heavy lifting. It's about creating space in the conversation where her curiosity rushes in. Don't over-explain. Don't overshare. Don't dump your emotions like a sad audiobook. Let her turn the pages of your story. Let her wonder what chapter comes next. Because the second she figures you out, the story ends, the mystery dies, the fire fades. Next time you're with her, don't overthink. Don't rush in with a speech. Just lean in a little, lock eyes, let your tone drop just enough to feel intimate, and say, "There's something about you. I can't quite put my finger on it, but I like it." Then stop. Don't follow it with a joke. Don't explain. Don't soften it with nervous laughter. Let the silence breathe. Let her feel the moment. Let her imagination start running. Let her heart fill in the blanks. Be the question she can't answer. Be the man she can't decode. Be the presence that lingers long after you leave. So, here's your next step. Stop chasing, start creating mystery. Stop giving away your value before she's earned a glimpse. Start speaking the kind of language that women don't hear, but feel. Because attraction isn't about what you say, it's about how you make her feel. And that line, it's the spark. the start of a story she'll be dying to read. If you found this helpful, if you're ready to master presence, power, and emotional seduction, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep, psychological strategies that flip the dating game on its head. And comment below, what's the most unforgettable thing a woman ever said to you? Because now, you're not just another guy with a line, you're the mystery she never saw coming, and the one she'll never forget.